Hi everyone, let's make these colorful flower using straw. So cut 3 centimeter straw and make a hole at one end, and then we're going to put all the small pieces inside the wire. Now twist the wire and make a circle like this, and look, your flower is ready. Same way we are going to attach a mini yellow flower at the center, its leaves, and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make these flowers using straw. So cut a small piece of straw, make multiple cuts on it, paste it using double-sided tape and start rolling it like this. Put a stick at the center. Again we are going to attach this roller tape using double-sided tape. Now we are making the leaves by making multiple cuts on the green straw and put it around it. You can make more such colorful flowers and put it inside this basket, and look, your colorful flower pot is ready. Let's make these weed stalks using these paper and earbud. So cut the top portion of the earbud, remove all of them and cover it using this yellow crepe paper. Roll it like this. After this we are going to make many such pieces. Now we are going to combine all of them on this green stick one after another. Paste its leaves like this, twist it and combine them as well together. You can make more such stands, and look how pretty these are looking. You can use them as decor piece. Let's make beautiful flowers. So cut 3 cm blue and 2 cm yellow straw. We are making petals using blue straw and yellow straw. We are going to roll it like this. Put all of them together like we are doing here. We are making 3 such flowers. Now cut this green straw and make the leaves like this. Now combine all of them together. Put it at the tip of the leaf, and look, your flowers are ready. How pretty these are looking. You can put them inside a vase and they're looking so amazing. Here we are going to make beautiful flowers using crepe paper. You are folding this yellow crepe paper, make a triangular shape, cut it, make multiple cuts. Now twist all the cuts using fingers like this. Now open it, you will get a beautiful flower piece. After this we are going to make more such pieces and put them all one after another inside this green stick. Now paste the leaves using floral tape, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such flowers using colorful crepe paper, and look how pretty these are looking. You can put them inside a vase. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful purple flowers using straw. So take a purple straw, make multiple cuts and start rolling it like this using double-sided tape on this green stick. Now we are making the leaves by cutting this green straw, give it shape like this. Now attach all of them together using floral tape on this green stick. Twist it like this. Now make more such flower stands, and look, it's done. You can put them inside a vase and it is looking so pretty. In this video, we are going to make these colorful flowers using straw. So cut it from the center, make multiple cuts as well. Now roll it around this earbud using double-sided tape. Cut the bottom part of the earbud, and then we are going to make the leaf by cutting this green straw. Put all of them together like this. Now put the flower at the top of the leaf, and look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers using straw, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.